I'm trying to video this shit. I know you guys can't see me in the middle of the fucking night. I'm driving down this fucking path. I can't see fucking shit. All because my wife wanted more beer. So I took my fucking lawnmower and I was halfway there and I had 4 minutes on the clock. And about 20 minutes away, so I wasn't making 1 o'clock for last call. But pretty fucking awesome ride on a lawnmower. Probably what, 3 miles? I didn't bring a fucking lighter for my cigarettes. That sucks fucking balls. Ran out of beer. I lost my fucking beer koozie, I think. Yeah. Good fucking times.